welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is India, and if you're returning, what's up family? Welcome back. So jumping right into it, y'all already see this is going to be a styling video, and I'm excited because this is going to be about pattern beauty. Okay, so if you guys know, I did do a video using the Pattern Beauty detangler. I used it kind of like a leave-in for a wash and go, and I'll leave that above for you guys to check that video out. Love it, chef's kiss. Like, I love that detangler, but I had never tried anything else from Pattern Beauty. I think the last Sephora VIP sale, I actually purchased the trial kit, which is this. So I purchased the trial kit, and in this kit, it has the leave-in conditioner, the styling cream, and the curl gel. So, few things, you guys. Number one, let's pray that it comes out right. Please, Pattern Beauty, don't do me wrong, okay? But to preference, I wanna let you guys know, I'm starting off on clean, freshly washed, freshly deep conditioned hair. I did wash my hair with the royal oils by Head and Shoulders. I love this. If you are a girly who suffers with any type of scalp issues, dry scalp, itchy scalp, dandruff, all that good stuff, this is the shampoo you need to be using. I used up the bottle that I had. I purchased another one because I love it that much. Y'all know if I repurchase something, it's the bomb. Okay, so I did wash my hair with this, and then I deep conditioned with my OG, my Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Y'all know I love this stuff. I have a video about this as well. I'll leave it in the card so you can check that out as well. So that's kind of the base that I'm starting with. That's what I shampooed with, that's what I deep conditioned with, and that's all I've done. I just rinsed the deep conditioner out, and y'all, it's yummy, okay? The curls are curling already. I already have good definition and stuff, so it's like, okay, Pattern Beauty, I'm giving you a good base to start on. Don't steer me wrong. Don't steer me wrong. All right, y'all, so first up is the Pattern Leave-In Conditioner. I'm about to apply this, and we'll see if we like it. So this is what it looks like. It's like a cream, kind of like a lotion. Let's see how it applies. It feels good as I am applying it to my hair. It's working into my strands really good. It has that beauty salon smell to me. Like when you go to the salon to get your hair done, it smells like those type of products. So it smells like salon quality products. It's the best way I can explain the smell. I feel like I need a little bit more. The bottle is small, so y'all, I'm gonna try not to use too much product so I can make sure I have enough all over my hair. But I want to make sure it's coated very well. So this is what we're looking like after the leave-in. My hair is super soft. Not bad. Like I said, my hair is soft, so we'll see. And I'm just gonna twist this up, and I am going to apply this leave-in conditioner all over my hair, just like I did this section right here. So I'll see y'all once I'm done putting in the leave-in. All right, y'all, so I have the leave-in in my hair, and as you can see, my hair, my twists are like really nice and juicy. I wish y'all could touch it, like it's super soft, and that's a good thing. So I really do like the leave-in. I would definitely buy the bigger size, the full size of the leave-in, because my hair is super soft and moisturized. So I really do like the leave-in. So the leave-in gets a thumbs up, gets a yes from me. Next, we are going to use the Pattern Styling Cream. Y'all, I'm nervous. Number one, if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, if you watched any of my hair styling videos, then you know I am a gel girl. I always follow up with some type of gel. Now, the reason why this is making me nervous is because this is a styling cream. I usually don't use styling creams. Now, I know I am going to put this curl gel on top, but from all the reviews that I've been looking at that's on YouTube, nobody really says this gives you any kind of hold. Actually, they've been saying this is more like a lotion, kind of almost like a leave-in. So I'm nervous, y'all. I am nervous, but I'm gonna stick to it. So this is the texture of it. It's like a cream. Feels pretty thick. A very thick, creamy consistency, so that's promising. I don't know, y'all. I'm about to put this styling cream throughout my hair and we gonna even see. So it's thick, but it's creamy, but it's almost kind of lotiony at the same time. I don't know if that's the right word, lotiony. All right, so let's see what's happening here. All right, so this is what the styling cream is giving. Maybe I need to section this off and make it a little smaller. Because technically, I should be able to use the styling cream like as my styler, and that should do the job. So maybe I'm not using enough. Let's see. I'm gonna add some more to the smaller section here and see what happens. I'm not mad at it, but I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling, y'all. I feel like it's gonna be frizzy. And y'all know I don't want no frizz. Cause if you can see, my roots are really frizzy. And I might have to add some water, cause it did say apply to wet hair, didn't it? Let me see. All right, y'all, so I got my water bottle and I'm just gonna, when I went to go get my water bottle, it kind of curled up that time a little bit. It's still frizzy though, so I'm just gonna spray it down with some water and see if that helps it clump up just a little bit better. The root is making me nervous, but I'm gonna keep going because if I keep doing this, I'm never gonna finish. All right, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep applying this throughout my hair and then I'll come back. Hey y'all, so I have the styling cream all in my hair now. And I'm hoping since I put it all over and it's like setting, that when I take this out, then that helps a little bit as well. And I'll show you guys how much I used. This is how much. I still have enough to do it at least one more good time. So one thing I will say is these trial sizes are really good, because that kind of made me a little nervous as well. Like sometimes companies will come out with trial size products, but it's not enough for you to actually try, which is annoying. But these actually are really good, and you're able to get, if not one, at least two full, you know, full wash days out of them, because I could do this at least one more time with the product that I have left from these trial sizes. So this curl gel looks like it's not really a gel. It dang near looks just like the leave-in conditioner. So that's not gonna hold my hair down. I know for a fact this is not gonna hold my hair down. But just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to, yeah, this is not a gel. This definitely looks almost identical to the leave-in conditioner. And if I put this in my hair, yeah, it's not gonna weigh my hair down like I need, and it's definitely not gonna tackle the frizz that I have at the roots. I could try adding water. And y'all, I'm actually glad this is happening. So you can see, like, every time I do my hair, it doesn't always come out right. When I use a new product, it doesn't mean that it's always gonna work for me. I just literally have to try. I just have to try stuff out and see what happens. Sometimes it works. When it does work, then great. But when it doesn't, then we pivot. And if you know what I'm about to do to pivot this, because I'm not gonna start this wash and go all the way over. I'm not gonna use any more of this curl gel because I can see right here that it's not gonna do what I need it to. So there's no reason for me to continue using this curl gel. Like I said, this kind of feels more like that leave-in. So I'll probably use this as like I said, a good twist out. Now, I've done a lot of work putting these products in my hair, and I love the leave-in conditioner. The styling cream was really good too. It's just that curl gel is not gonna give me the hold that I need. I know if I let my hair air dry like this, it's gonna get puffy, it's gonna get poofy, and it's not gonna last. So I just grabbed my handy dandy Wetline Extreme. I have not done any tests to see if this stuff is gonna flake up. Hopefully it does not. But what I'm gonna do, since my hair already has leave-in and all that good stuff, I am going to use my handy dandy Wetline Extreme, because I know every time that will give me what I'm looking for. Yes. And you see the difference? You see how now it's not poofy? That's the kind of gel I'm looking for. It weighted all the way down. It's not poofy anymore. So yeah, y'all, I think I'm probably gonna shingle this and hope that it doesn't flake. Again, I didn't do any tests to see if these products would match it. So hopefully I don't get flakes, but we shall see, because I'm not starting over and I know that curl cream is not going to work. All right, y'all, I put the wet line all through my hair, and I must say that the curls are curling. Let me get close up so y'all can see this definition. So I think Pattern Beauty is about to get a win from me. I do need to let this air dry, but y'all, it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. It's pretty. Everything is super defined. My hair feels good. I can't call it a win just yet because I don't know how it will dry. The only thing that I'm really looking for is to make sure that it doesn't flake. So if it doesn't flake, then I would definitely say that the combo works really, really good. All right, y'all. So fast forward. I know I got on a different shirt, everything. I switched my shirt because my other shirt was wet, but I let my hair air dry for some hours, and y'all, if y'all can hear this popping in the background, it's the 4th of July and people are, of course, celebrating. So hopefully you can hear me. Okay, y'all, so I took my blow dryer and I did go ahead and diffuse. If you want to see how I diffuse my hair, I'll leave a link so you guys can check out my video. I did the same thing. I diffused the same exact way. But I'm gonna say that this is a win. My hair is super soft. It is extremely defined. And I mean, just like these firecrackers are going off, it's the bomb, okay? We got a reason to celebrate. Number one question, is it flaking? As I am like throwing my hair around a little bit, I'm trying to see if I see anything. I don't really see much. So I don't think it's gonna flake. There's no residue or buildup or anything. So I think we're in the clear, you guys. I think this is going to be a really good wash and go combo. And yeah, so I wanted to make sure I check back in, let you guys see the final dried results. And y'all, it's a winner. All right, y'all let me know if you try any of the Pattern Beauty hair products. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.